something new at Lighthouse. In previous years, we've stuck to science fair every single year, where the students choose a science project that interests them and they stick to it throughout the whole second semester. But this year we decided to move in the direction of STEAM, which is science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics, and allow the kids to choose projects that interest them in an area that interests them. We've also focused on the design thinking process, which starts with choosing a problem that is relevant to the student and allows them to look for solutions to solve that problem. And this year we've seen so many projects from the kids that have turned out amazing. And we're enjoying the presence of the parents, getting to see all of the hard work that the kids have put into their projects. And we have some awesome projects to share with you guys. We hope you enjoy them.
Child like holding them, but they can sit on it and do like this and they're okay. This is like made also from like materials and from like this. And so that the water doesn't reach you and you can bathe them properly to be more easier to this are arms now so that you can wash him and clothes and
In science fair, you got to science fair and you already had an idea of what to do, and you could literally just research science for project 5th grade and you would get what you wanted. But in STEAM fair you had to have a deep development and process thinking and understand the problems in your community.
The product, these are two of our classmates, and this is someone testing it after having extracted the medicine from the bottle.
I'd say STEAM was a bit different when it came to the actual work and the choosing of the topic, because STEAM had a bit of a different type of workload. It was a bit of less stress, and also when it came to choosing the actual project, I think we had a bit more freedom when it came to the actual science, technology, engineering, art, and technology, instead of just basing off of a specific area in science. So I think that was a very positive change that we had with STEAM.
Talking about improving and making different levels and things like that, one of the probably problems is that the children, since they're small, won't be able to reach the higher levels, and so you would require an adult to do the work also, and so it's one of those things that you have to see.
STEAM was a new process that helped us build and create instead of taking two things that already exist and comparing them to each other. So we had to create something new and we got to test it out, and in the science fair we really never got to do that when it came to inventing new things, which is really important for students to be able to use their creativity for stuff like that.
Stick it on, right?
Yeah, and about the hooks, the reason we have double this and this is because we want the backpacks to be facing one direction. Because if they were like this, they would not space a lot of space at all. So when they're like this and neatly organized, it's way better to save more space.
Again, the freedom of being able to choose, because in science fair it's mostly about science and plants or physical science, earth science, things like that. Whereas in STEAM I can have science, technology, engineering, math, art, and everything, so it's much better.
So my idea was to have toothpaste dispensers, or like a soap dispenser, in public bathrooms or schools, so that people can just come with a toothbrush and they will just put it in and the toothpaste will come out. So this is the motto of what my